All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol NEO Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And to all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. So after this bullish run and breaking through the 50-day moving average, it actually broke through the resistance several times, turned it into a support, and you can clearly see that they kind of hovered above it slightly. It broke through support at one point, hitting lows of 1875, but that only lasted for 30 minutes. And then from there on out, it re-stabilized, it balanced out, and it just continued its run to try to hit newer highs. The bulls definitely tried to dominate this one, but as always, I love to see how it reacts and how charts show you when resistance is broken, how it's turned into a support and it takes it to newer highs. You can clearly see it here. I'm circling all around this so you can see before it kind of broke and even down on it. It was having a rough time for the bulls to continue the run. And then towards the end, they leveled it off. And right after that, this last candlestick here that we definitely see here shows you how it turned resistance into a support and it brought itself to newer highs. So pretty awesome stuff. Love to see that in the charts. And this is why chart analysis are great to give us some insight on what to pay very close attention to and beware of as the trading day goes and how it's going to continue to react. So the support levels have changed slightly, but apart from these narrowed down support levels and resistance levels that I'm about to explain to you guys, there are some outside ones that I want to talk about. So the first one is 2037. That is the highest point that it reached in the day in this bullish run. And 2037 needs to be broken through by the bulls to break newer resistance levels and newer highs. But before getting there, the first resistance level they want to break through to even know that they can continue this run after closing at 2003 is 20 with 15 cents. If the bulls can break through that, turn this into a support, they start to work their way up to newer highs, pulling themselves further away from the 50-day moving average, which is 1903. With that said, as long as the bulls break the resistance of 2015 and turn it into support, they can move away from the 50-day moving average, which I'd write as well, 1903, bringing themselves to newer highs and could work their way up to breaking the highest points of the day. Now, on the other hand, the lowest points of the day, apart from the last low, after this last low, which was way down here in the $18 mark, and it brought itself leveled off and then brought itself up to newer highs and then leveled off in a sideways direction. The lowest point after that was 1945. So if the bears are to break through 1945, they've broken through two support levels, still in bullish territory, but working its way closer to the 50-day moving average of 1903. So that's something to keep in mind. But before breaking through that, the bears are going to have to break through the first support level, and that's 1965. I'd write that down. If that gets broken through, then I'd pay close attention to 1945. And if that gets broken through, it's on its way closer to the 50-day moving average, which is 1903. So the bears have a couple of support levels per se to break through before getting into bearish territory. But every support level that does get broken through, I'd pay very close attention to it. I can't emphasize that enough to see how the stock behaves and what is going on. Are the bulls reappearing and trying to bring this back up within those minutes and moments, or are they breaking through it fairly quickly, hitting newer lows and newer support levels? I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Hope it means you well. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as turn on all notifications by clicking on the bell so you guys don't miss a single video that I post. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. Share this with your friends and community. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's make some money.